Hi, I am Mizanur Rahman. I am a software engineer but new as a YouTube instructor. So if you see my channel and like my tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe. I want to divide this admin light into three parts. For that, I divide the sidebar from here. I divided all thing into three parts. One is master, sidebar, and another is header and footer. We don't need any header part because of we had a Jetstream header. Now I cut the sidebar from here and create a new file named sidebar.blade.php. and paste it all sidebar code. Now we include the sidebar menu. So if I refresh our browser again, hopefully nothing will be changed. Yes, everything is like before. Now I divided this dashboard part into another section. Cut it from here. We don't need this aside. Using blade component, we are divided it as a slot. Here is slot. We are making a slot here. And open the file from resources, views, dashboard.blade.php here. Here we don't need this header part. We are pasting dashboard content here, and we don't need this. And slot name will be slot. Hopefully everything will be working like before. Everything is working fine now. So now I am remove the unnecessary codes from here. Remove all of this. Everything is working good. So now you can use admin LT dashboard with Laravel8 stream package, and there is a problem here. For that we need to do something. Dashboard, we need this part from here, and we cut all of this. Content header, we cut content header with content wrapper, cut it from dashboard and paste it in before slot part. Save it, and if I refresh it now, yes, everything is working good now. Now you can use admin LT dashboard with Laravel8 stream full package. And as you know, it's my new channel. Please like, comment and subscribe for inspire me. Thank you.